Hello class, for this week let's solve this equation posted by our instructor. X squared minus 3 equals 0. Let's add 3 to both sides of the equation to get x squared equals 3. And then it's kind of easy from here. So to find the square root of x, you would need to find the square root of 3. X is going to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 3. Or, using our calculator, 3 square root x equals plus or minus 1.732. So both of these answers would be correct, but this week we're asking for an exact answer using simplified radicals as needed. So plus or minus the square root of 3 would be the correct answer to that solution. Thank you, guys.